Meditation is a mindfulness practice that involves training the mind to achieve a state of focused attention and awareness. The benefits of meditation are diverse and can positively impact various aspects of mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Here are just a few of the many benefits. Stress reduction. One of the most well-documented benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. Regular meditation practice helps activate the body's relaxation response, leading to a decrease in the production of stress hormones. This can result in a calmer and more relaxed state of mind. Improved focus and concentration. Meditation involves training the mind to maintain focused attention, whether on the breath, a mantra, or a specific object. This practice enhances overall cognitive function and concentration, making it easier to sustain attention on tasks in daily life. Enhanced emotional well-being. Meditation promotes emotional regulation by fostering awareness of thoughts and feelings without judgment. This increased mindfulness can lead to a more balanced and positive emotional state. Over time, individuals may develop greater emotional resilience and a more positive outlook on life. Better sleep. Meditation has been linked to improved sleep quality. By calming the mind and reducing anxiety, meditation can help individuals relax and prepare for restful sleep. Specific meditation techniques, such as mindfulness meditation or progressive muscle relaxation, can be particularly effective for promoting better sleep. Mind-body connection and physical health. Meditation is associated with various physical health benefits. It has been linked to reduced blood pressure, improved immune function, and enhanced cardiovascular health. The mind-body connection emphasized in meditation practices contributes to an overall sense of well-being. It's worth noting that the benefits of meditation are cumulative and tend to become more pronounced with regular practice. Additionally, individuals may experience a range of benefits beyond those listed here, as meditation is a highly individual and subjective practice. The specific type of meditation and the consistency of practice can also influence the outcomes.